Welcome back to Mythic Machines. On today's episode, we're going to be putting in the lower cowling. Take a gander at what we got going on. So we see there, as we see, I'm at the place where my lower cowling goes here, and got my new lower cowling here. And in order to get my new one in, first thing I got to do is use the good old hole puncher. You've seen me use multiple times before. Put holes all along the edges for all of the spot welds I have to put in. For the base, down here what I'm going to do is I have to hit the wire wheel, take off the paint I put on there so it didn't rust up. So the welder could arc through completely and not have any issues. So let's get to it. And the first thing we're going to do is pop all the holes in it, because that's the quickest and easiest thing to do. See, it just pops out the little holes. So now you got metal confetti. Alright, now you see, got all my holes popped in there, and I'm going to have to drill some more up here, because my little hole puncher can't reach that. I'm not going to be putting any holes up here, because nothing's going to get spot welded up there. That's pretty much the base for the, this is pretty much the base for the upper cowling, which is this piece there. Okay, now I got the holes done in our lower cowling. We're gonna clean off the surfaces. We're gonna spot weld it too. So we got here where we primered, and we got this piece here on top of the. Oops. We got this piece here on top of the kick panels, which is all spot welds too. So should use the wire wheel. So you see there, all of it's taken off. So you got a fresh, clean spot for the welder to make contact. Do the same on the other side, and then be just about ready to put this in. Okay, so you got everything done. We are now ready to set the lower cowling in. You set in, you still got some gaps like here and here that just needs to be squished together. Hold down a little bit, and then it fits quite well. The holes here line up pretty well. Holes up here that are off a little bit, but that'll be okay. Okay, so I'm going to use some vice grips to bite it all in place. Now, back corner here, I can't really put a clamp in this corner, so I'll put a couple self-tappers in it. And do the same on the other side. With that, everything's lined up, or best possibly could be. It's all flush and it's ready to get spot welded in. So, I'm going to try to film it, see how well it turns out, but if it is like normal, it's not going to be out very well. Here we go. spot weld done is going to take out the few self tappers I have in there and then tap those up and grind it all down. And as you see, got all my spot welds in. Everything's all welded together. My lower cowling is officially installed. So next is I gotta clean knock all the high spots down, just like you did with the floor. Get it all flat, and get it all ready for my upper cowling. There's Bell again. Well, doing that today, as it's starting to get dark out. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you like what you see. And if you don't, share with an enemy. Make them suffer with you. If you did like it, subscribe, leave a comment. Everything's greatly appreciated, and there's always more to come.